this stream.
That stream? Oh.
That's it, kids. Jump on those rocks.
Oh.
Whoa, now, be careful.
Oh.
Those rocks are slippery.
Ah.
Come on, easy does it.
Ernie.
Just keep holding on a minute longer, Bert.
I am.
Okay, that away, that away.
That away, all right.
Great, kids, hooray, you made it. Now jump in your raft and follow us. Cast off. Come on, kids. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Oh, no.
Buck up, Bert, old buddy. A little white water never hurt anyone. Whoa, here we go.
Whoa. Oh, but, Ernie, what about that waterfall up ahead?
Luckily, Ernie and Bert and their friends landed safely in a quiet pool of water.